Hey everyone, my name is Milan. Welcome to my channel Milangic. In this vlog, I'll give you a tour of all-inclusive RIU Palace Tropical Bay in beautiful Negril, Jamaica. Let's get into it. Number 1. Location. I landed at Montego Bay International Airport and the resort was about 1.5 hour drive. Airport pickup was included in my booking, which made things super easy, but definitely check with resort or the booking platform ahead of time to confirm your transfer details. On the bus, they offer beer for $5 if you're in the mood to kick off your trip early. Ride was smooth and scenic. As soon as you are arrived at the resort, you will be greeted with a welcome drink. This is the reception area where you check in. It's open air, super breezy and has laid back feel. Get through check-in, receive all-inclusive wristband and you're good to go to your room. RIU Palace is located right on Bloody Bay, which is quieter, more peaceful stretch of beach just outside of central Negril. Resort has a gorgeous layout with several colonial-style buildings spread across lush tropical gardens. The resort is not too big and not too small, just the right size to feel luxurious yet cozy. There are 3 main accommodation buildings and everything is within walking distance. Let's take a look at the room now. I booked a double standard for 2 adults for 3 nights, which came to about 1800 Canadian dollars. We were supposed to get 2 beds but ended up with 1 king size bed instead. The resort was fully booked when we asked to switch, so we just rolled with it. And all the rooms here, it came with a built-in booze dispenser stocked with whiskey, rum, vodka and gin to mini fridge stocked with beer, pops and water. The building have a total of 3 levels and if you're looking for ice dispenser available on the ground level. There was a minor issue with one of the sinks in the bathroom. The water wasn't draining properly, possibly because of its shape. The bed was comfortable and honestly the couch was even cozier. Overall the room was bright, spacious and a balcony overlooking the garden, just a short walk from the beach. Now let's talk about restaurants. RIU Palace has a total of 5 dining options: the main international buffet, an Italian a la carte, Japanese, Caribbean fusion, and a steakhouse near the beach. For the a la carte, I recommend booking your reservations the day you arrive, since spots fill up very quickly. Also keep in mind there is a casual, elegant dress code, so no swimwear, cut sleeves or flip-flops for dinner. I tried the main buffet and the Italian a la carte restaurant. At the Italian, I tried crepe lasagna with portobello mushrooms. It looked great on plate, but the taste was okay, nothing too memorable. The dessert had a similar vibe. The salad and the pizza were better. The overall ambience was nice, offering a quite elegant dining experience. But personally, I found the buffet to be much better. It had way more variety with plenty of options Whether you're into vegetarian food, seafood, pasta, or wanna try the famous Jamaican jerk chicken, you will find something you like. Thank you so much. Bars. The resort has 5 bars spread across the property, including a swim up bar, beach bar, lobby bar, the main bar, and a 24-hour lounge. Each one offers a different vibe whether you are sipping cocktail by the pool or grabbing a late night drink. I had a few shots at the main bar, guava daiquiri from the lobby bar, super refreshing and surprisingly good. Drinks were well made and bartenders were quick, fun and friendly. And one thing for sure, they definitely don't go light on the pour. Thank you. This is Munch's place where you can come at any time during midnight and eat. These snacks options are available for you. After covering a few essentials, let's talk about the pools. There are 3 in total, each offering its own vibe. One is more laid back and perfect for relaxing. Another has a livelier atmosphere with activities. And the third features a swim up bar, ideal if you're in full vacation mode with a drink in hand.
You know what? Make your way to the bar, order any top shelf liquor. I will pay for it. And when somebody exits, we have to add one more number. Oh no, oh no, oh no. When I say 6, you're gonna turn to this side, 6, you're gonna go like this. Sakini. It's a Japanese word, it means hello. Sakini, yeah? Yeah, don't say the wrong thing.
The resort is beachfront, located right on the beautiful Bloody Bay beach. While the famous 7 Mile beach is just about 10 to 12 minutes drive away, you might find you don't need to go far because Bloody Bay is honestly a gem in itself. Beach is stunning, soft white sand, the water is calm, clear and perfect for swimming. It is smaller, more peaceful stretch compared to 7 Mile, making it ideal if you're looking to unwind without the crowds. Whether you are into beach walks, lounging under the palms, or just soaking up that turquoise view, this beach delivers. Entertainment and vibe. The overall vibe is chill and relaxed. If you're looking for wild parties or all night clubbing, this might not be your spot. There is no nightclub on site, but the resort does host events like karaoke night, beach party, white party at RIU Negril, their other resort. Karaoke was fun, the show was really good, beach party was okay, nothing over the top, but still a nice way to enjoy music and drinks. Wi-Fi is free and works pretty well even by the beach. If you're planning to do some excursions, you can directly book it from the resort. Snorkeling, blue hole, trip to Rick's Cafe, and much more. Overall, if you're looking for a relaxing tropical escape with a decent food service and a peaceful beach, RIU Palace Tropical Bay is a solid pick. But if you're craving for a more energetic vibe, full entertainment, and a lively crowd, then stay tuned for the RIU Palace Montego Bay vlog. That one brings totally different energy. If you got any questions I didn't cover, drop them in the comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in Montego Bay. Ciao.